model and past paper, and in this video we are going to give you the answers for Kelaniya Education Zone 2024 paper. Test 1. Write 2 words for each of the following sounds from the given box below. First one is done for you. First one, if sound, enough and rough. CH sound, bunch and church. Ith sound, teeth, think. Pl sound with plant and place. Ush sound with shirt and brush. F sound again with phone and photo. Test 2. Select the correct word from the box and write. Flock, bottle, bunch, bar and piece. First one, my father brought me a bunch of grapes. Second one, children are eating a bar of chocolate. Number 3, the little baby drinks a bottle of milk. Would you like to have a piece of cake? Number 5, I saw a flock of sheep. Test 3. Underline the word with correct spelling. First one, the children have their breakfast during the interval. First one is the word with the correct spelling. Follow the same suit for the rest of the questions. Question number 2. Flying kites is a popular pastime activity. Scientists believe that the earth was created from a ball of dust and gas. Our teacher is very intelligent. This was his first voyage as a captain. Are you the owner of this vehicle? Test 4. Study the picture and fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. This is a picture of a garden. There is a boy and a girl in this picture. They are in front of their house. The boy is watering a flower plant. He is wearing a pair of shorts and a shirt. A butterfly is flying towards the boy. There are many tall trees and flowers in the garden. There is a fence around the garden. The shawl is on the ground. The sun is shining. Test 5. Complete the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the box. Are, am, have, had, were and have. I am Suranga. I have a small garden. There are many trees and flowers. There were many vegetables, plants long ago. Here, long ago is a keyword. But I do not have them now. Keyword now. I had a bottle of bird feed also earlier. Keyword earlier. But it was not there as it was broken recently. Test 6. Rewrite the following sentences using apostrophes where necessary. You are an obedient student in the class. Here you can use the contracted form of you are using the apostrophe like this. Look at the second one. Children do not like to play table tennis. Do not can be shortened. I would like to have a cup of tea. I would can be contracted. Penguin cannot fly, cannot can be shortened. 5. Where is the post office? Where is can be contracted like this, Wes. Number 6. Let us clean our classroom. Let us can be contracted using let's. Test 7. Read the notice about the birthday and answer the questions. Happy birthday, dear Aruni. You will be glad to know that my birthday comes on 3rd September. I have arranged a small party at our house in the evening. Nipuni and Maheshi also come for the party. I would like to invite you too. Please bring your camera when you come. Sinuli. Question number 1. Who brought the invitation? Answer. Sinuli. Number 2. When is Sinuli's birthday? Answer is 3rd September. Where is the birthday party going to be held? At Sinuli's house. At what time will the birthday party start? In the evening. What does Sinuli request Aroni to bring to the party? Camera. Test 8. Fill in the blanks using the prepositions given in the box. Last week I went to the zoo. I went there as is with my family. We saw many animals in the cages. Then we bought ice creams from the cafeteria. We searched for a dustbin to put the ice creams wrappers, but couldn't find one. Test 9. Read the poem and answer the question given. The cat. I have a pet. He's fluffy and white. His eyes are green. They shine at night. His fur is thick and warm and deep. His whiskers waggle when he is asleep. His tail is long with a kink at the end, but his claws are sharp and my skin can rend. He laps his milk with a tongue so rough. Then he sits and purrs as he cleans his stuff. Question number 1. What is the name of the poet? Answer is Kevot. What is the title of the poem? The cat. Write the rhyming words for the following. A deep, asleep, end, rent. Find the opposite words for the following from the poem. Cold, warm, short, long. What happens when the cat is sleeping? His whiskers waggle. What is there at the end of the tail? A kink. Read the following passage and answer the given questions. Butterflies. Butterflies are small insects in our environment. They beautify our nature. They have 6 legs and a pair of antennas. We can divide their body into 3 main parts. They are called head, thorax, and abdomen. Butterflies have 2 wings. They use them to fly here and there. They eat the nectar of the flowers. They can be seen in different colors. They are attractive. They lay eggs when they become adults. Butterflies are very important to the nature because they collect pollen and carry it to other plants. These help fruits, vegetables, and flowers to produce new plants. Question number 1, where do you see butterflies? Answer is in our environment. How many legs do they have? 6 legs. What are the 3 main body parts of butterfly? Head, thorax, and abdomen. When do they lay eggs? When they become adults. Why do you think butterflies are very important? Because they collect pollen and carry it to other plants. Test 11. Write an essay on one of the following topics. A great person I like. B. How I spent my leisure time. C. An interesting place in Sri Lanka. A great person I like. Mr. C.W.W. Kannangara is a great person whom I admire very much. He is known as the father of free education in Sri Lanka. He worked hard to give all children a chance to receive a good education. Because of his efforts, many students from poor families could go to school and achieve their dreams. He was honest, kind, and dedicated to serving the country. His valuable service has helped many generations. Therefore, Mr. C.W.W. Kannangara is a great person I like and respect. An interesting place in Sri Lanka. Alla is one of the most interesting places in Sri Lanka. It is a beautiful town located in the hill country. Many local and foreign tourists visit Alla every year. It is famous for its green mountains, waterfalls, and cool climate. Popular attractions include Alla Rock, Little Adams Peak, and the Nine Arch Bridge. The scenery is very attractive and peaceful. Visitors can enjoy hiking and taking photographs. Alla is a wonderful place to relax and enjoy nature. Therefore, it's an interesting place to visit. An interesting place in Sri Lanka. Alla is one of the most interesting places in Sri Lanka. It is a beautiful town located in the hill country. Many local and foreign tourists visit Alla every year. It is famous for its green mountains, waterfalls, and cool climate. Popular attractions include Alla Rock, Little Adams Peak, and the Nine Arcs Bridge. The scenery is very attractive and peaceful. Visitors can enjoy hiking and taking photographs. Alla is a wonderful place to relax and enjoy nature. Therefore, it is an interesting place to visit. Subscribe our channel now. Our dedicated English language channel for Sri Lankan students. UC Achievers for grade 6 to 9 English. UC Gen English for advanced level general English. UCAL English for O level English.